Hello winners! In this video, we'll talk about answers to the most frequently asked questions about MTech at IITs or NITs. We already have a video on this topic on our channel, but there are some issues with audio and that's why I thought that let's just remake this video. So the first and foremost question which I mostly hear is my GATE score is this, my GATE rank is this, and whether I will get admission in particular IIT. I don't have a straightforward answer to this question as cutoff for every branch for every IIT changes every year. To find answer to this question, what you can do, you can visit the website of particular IIT where you want to take admission and then check the cutoff of that particular branch of that particular course previous year. So you will get the idea that if last year the cutoff was this much, then whether you will get admission this year or not. So that is the answer for your first question. Then the next question, question number 2, is whether we should go for non-core placements or not. Look, it's totally dependent upon you. I cannot answer your question that whether you should go for non-core placements or not. I got admission to the MTech program at IIT by thinking that I will get placed in EduTech company. But later I got to know that no EduTech company comes for the placement. And then I thought that let's just take the non-core placements, then gain some years of experience and then we can move to the EduTech company. So my long-term goal of going into EduTech company was aligning with short-term goal of getting placed in non-core field. And that's why I chose non-core placements. And likewise, I will also suggest you that if your long-term goal aligns with short-term goal, then you should go for non-core placements. Now the next obvious question is chances of getting placed from IIT after MTech. इस क्वेश्चन को हम दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. एक है कोर प्लेसमेंट्स और दूसरा है नॉन कोर प्लेसमेंट्स. सो कोर के जो प्लेसमेंट्स है वो टोटली डिपेंड करते हैं कि जो भी साल आप पास आउट हो रहे हो एमटेक के बाद उस साल में अगर कोई कोर कंपनी आती है तो आपका कोर प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा. लाइक हमारे टाइम में क्या हुआ था कि हमारे टाइम पे एक फूड कंपनी आई थी जिन्होंने एमटेक से आई थिंक 6 और 7 पीपल को हायर कर लिया था. उसके पहले जॉन डेयर कंपनी प्लेसमेंट्स के लिए आई थी तो उस टाइम भी कोर में अच्छे खासे प्लेसमेंट्स हुए थे. तो इट ऑल डिपेंड्स अपॉन वेदर core companies of your branch comes to the placement that year. That was about core placements. So we can conclude that chances of getting placed in core companies depends upon whether companies come to that particular year or not. Then talking about non-core placements. मैं जब प्लेस हुआ था तब एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट से सिर्फ मैं एक ही बंदा था जिसका नॉन कोर में प्लेसमेंट हुआ था. उसके बाद इस साल 2021 में एग्रीकल्चर से ऑलमोस्ट आई कैन से 10 से 15 बच्चों का नॉन कोर में प्लेसमेंट हो चुका है. द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक हियर इज दैट चांसेस ऑफ गेटिंग प्लेस्ड इन नॉन कोर कंपनीज इज वेरी हाई if you are willing to put a right amount of efforts, time and resources into non-core placements preparation. You can easily get placed into non-core companies because the opportunities, the chances of getting placed in non-core are very high as compared to the core placements in campus placements of IITs or NITs. Now the next question, does department becomes a barrier in getting non-core placement? So to answer this question from my experience, most of the tech giants such as Apple, Google, Facebook, Microsoft, these all tech giants allows us to sit for the placements, and 80 to 90% companies which come for the non-core placements allows all the departments in the IITs, all the departments in your college to sit for their placements. So from my experience, I can say that department actually does not becomes a barrier in your non-core placement. And we should keep in mind that there will be 5 to 10% of companies which will restrict themselves for particular departments such as CSE or electrical engineering. But we should not focus on 5 to 10% of companies which are not allowing us. We should focus upon 80 to 90% of the companies which are allowing us to sit for the non-core placements. Next question is when actually placement season starts and how many companies come each year for placements at IITs or NITs. आपके प्लेसमेंट का सीज़न जो है वो अक्टूबर मिड में स्टार्ट होता है अक्टूबर मिड और नवंबर का फुल महीना आपके जो कोडिंग के टेस्ट है वो चलते हैं और वहाँ पे आपका स्क्रीनिंग होता है कि आप नेक्स्ट राउंड जो आई गेस इंटरव्यू राउंड होता है वहाँ पे आप जाओगे या फिर नहीं। और दिसंबर के 1 तारीख से आपके एक्चुअल में इंटरव्यूज स्टार्ट हो जाते हैं। तो दिसंबर 1 टू दिसंबर आई गेस 15 तक प्लेसमेंट का सीज़न फर्स्ट चलता है और उसके बाद प्लेसमेंट का सीज़न 2 फरवरी टू मार्च अप्रैल एंड तक चलता रहता है। टॉकिंग अबाउट हाउ मेनी कंपनीज कम ईच ईयर, सो when I saw last time my ERP profile where we get to know about different kinds of companies came for the placements, I saw that there were 248 companies on particular year when I passed out. So you can say that almost 250 to 300 companies visit each year for placements at IITs or NITs. There are ample of opportunities available for getting placed. Only criteria is you should be skillful enough to grab that opportunity. Now the next popular question, what are the packages offered by companies at placement season? So the packages vary from 6 LPA to 40 LPA. There are some exceptional cases where people get a package of 1 CR plus, but those are exceptions. The average package lies between 6 LPA to 15 LPA. So the minimum package you can get from campus placements is 6 LPA, and talking about maximum placement, it totally depends upon you. Now I want to close this video with bonus tip. If you have made your mind to go for non-core placements, then please tighten your seat belts. This journey is going to be filled up with lots of ups and downs. There will be setbacks, there will be times when you will doubt yourself, but believe me, if you are really working hard, if you are really putting your 100% each day, the time will come and the day will come when you will actually get placed in a desired company, in your dream company. So yes, it's going to be hard, but it's not impossible. And make sure that your why of getting placed in non-core field is very clear, because if your why is not clear, then chances are you will left this journey in between, and that's not the thing which you want for yourself. If you have any questions, then you can always reach me at this Gmail address. The word saying signing out until we meet again to add value in your life.